government of Tamil Nadu is pursuing a corridor and nodal-based development. So we are going to build corridors which is going to enable node-based development and cluster-based development. So we are developing the industrial corridor, linking them with road and rail connectivity, so that these factories and companies have access to the modern connectivity mechanism. And we are creating what is called as township. Inside the industrial park, we are creating what is called as township, schools and hostels, so that the employees are the welfare is taken care. So typically, in the next few years, they have proposed the two industrial corridors, Chennai Bangalore Industrial Corridor. So, a special purpose vehicle SPV to develop the Ponneri node has been created, and the master plan is underway. So, people have started working on that. So, Chennai Bangalore will be extended to the western region as Kochi Coimbatore Industrial Corridor, including their integrated manufacturing cluster in Salem. So they have started developing this Chennai Bangalore Industrial Corridor for promoting the industries on the Chennai Bangalore industrial sector. Next one is Tamil Nadu Chennai Kanyakumari Industrial Corridor, which is being a partnership with the Asian Development Bank to promote East Coast Economic Corridor to port-based economic development. So to develop ports along the East Coast and promote development across the East Coast region. So this covers 23 districts along the coast, and government has prepared a plan for it, and phase 2 is nearing completion. So establishing and creating ports to give more connectivity to the interior districts. We have Tamil Nadu Defense Industrial Corridor. It was launched in 2019, covers 5 cities, namely Chennai, Hosur, Salem, Coimbatore, and Trichy. So we have close to 3,123 crore investment from the Ordnance Factory Boards, defense public sector undertakings, and private sector projects. So they are going to develop a defense-based equipments in these cities by constructing facilities. Okay. So we have a very good connectivity. See, we have national highways, state highways, district road, and other rural roads. All these numbers are there. With assistance from World Bank, we have taken up the cost of upgrading everything. So we are with the industrial ecosystem going to be set up. We need to have Pakka connectivity to all the industries, right? So industrial ecosystem fund shall be set up as a part of the policy to provide last mile connectivity to the industries. We have an excellent airport and seaport connectivity. So we have 4 international airports: Chennai, Mumbai, Coimbatore, and Trichy. And we have Chennai Airport is the third busiest airport in the country in terms of passenger movement. And we have 4 large seaport. So Chennai Port, Kamarajar Port, VOC Port, and Kattupalli Port. So they have, along with Karaikal Port, we have a very high uh, cargo handling capacity. Also, we have very high speed corridors to supply from the government of India to connect the major cities. The government is undertaking the construction of 44,206 railway over, which is the cost of this much to minimize time waiting in the crossings, so that you can have a seamless traveling or transportation of goods from one part of the country, one part of the state to the